ideas like, well, in this frame of reference it's a wave, and then in this frame of reference it's a particle. So it's a paradox, it's a duality, and it's ambiguity simultaneously. And in this series of discussions, we're going to venture into things such as just some deep, abstract, linguistic, philosophical concepts that seems to be prevalent or pervasive across the board in all scientific paradigm shift. We see that paradox, and we see that ambiguity, and we see that duality emerge in the wave-particle duality in light. We also see that emerge in music, musical octave. In musical octaves, there's a sort of there's a paradoxical phenomenon that occurs with a musical octave, because